Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. I'm going to be pulling a little 400 square foot back patio here in a bit. We removed all the sand that was in here. You don't want to pour on top of 6 inches of sand, so we're down to nice solid substrate here. We're going to cap this slab. To do that properly, you want to get a minimum of 4 inches on top of that, so we're going to be pouring our new slab up to the top of this step, that siding, that bottom piece. That way when you take a straight shot out to here, it's 6 inches here and 4 inches here, so we know we're going to have that covered nice. We're going to do a couple caissons in here, get a rebar grid. Then we're going to install a bonding agent on top of this slab here to make sure the new concrete sticks good. It's Jade Alpine. You can follow this project as it progresses. www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link and watch close to 2,000 before and after videos. It's Jade Alpine Companies, and we'll see you guys on the next video.